But I'll show my fans my air raid siren setup I got for the New Year's Eve midnight activation. I got the control box, homemade control box here, with a relay inside to activate the siren. When I push the red button, it's going to activate the 12 volt strobe and activate the 240 volt relay. Contact on the relay, turns on the air raid siren. Siren's out there, I'm going to go out in the garden and show you it. It's right there. I'll just quickly buzz it, not like put it at full speed, give it a quick buzz. And I'll contact it with the camera. And when it does come to 12 o'clock, I'll be pushing and holding that button down for about 30 seconds. So we'll do the all clear signal, but I'll probably move over where the light is so you can see it. But that's going to be my air sign demo I'll be doing for New Year for the 12 midnight. Stay tuned for the video when it's activating.